up, guys? My name is Anthony. I'm new to this YouTube thing. This is my 2002 BMW E46 325, but I did a 3-liter swap, ZF trans. It's got BC coilovers, CSL carbon trunk, MagnaFlow exhaust, headers, cold air intake, tuned by Rev Match Motorsports. All solid bushings around, basically. Yeah, it's my daily driver, street car, drift car, whatever I want it to be. It's a little dirty. I haven't washed in a few days. It's a little too cold for that shit right now. But let's pop the hood for you guys. Definitely nothing special. It's decently clean. Heat wrapped headers. I don't know if you guys can see that. My little custom cold air intake. I don't know if you guys can see, but the filter runs right behind the fog light. Basically stock angle. I have steering rack spacers that I made out of some washers from Home Depot. I do plan on boosting this thing in the spring. I'm going to be doing a bottom mount turbo build following Hell Rock Garage. If you guys haven't seen his YouTube videos, definitely go check him out. He's got a step-by-step guide basically on how to turbo your E46 with actual quality parts and do it right the first time. Pretty much it would be a bottom mount turbo build, so you keep your AC, you keep your power steering, you keep everything. Essentially your turbo would go down there where your motor mount sits. You would get a custom mount, your turbo goes there. Requires a little custom fab. I'm definitely going to be doing that. I'm going to be aiming for around 450, 500 wheel on this car. Stock motor. We'll see how long it lasts, honestly. But if this thing blows up, I'd be happy to throw another one in. Full interior. Overall, nothing special. It's got the full sport interior. Overall, pretty clean car. It's got a 196,000 miles, probably around 150,000 on this motor and trans. I don't really remember. It's got a medium to lightweight flywheel, but other than that, everything else motor and trans wise is stock. I do have, I believe they're ECS underdrive pulleys, and I think that's about it for performance mods. Stage 3 by Rev Match Motorsports. Phenomenal tune. Been running it for about, I don't know, almost 2 years now. Had it originally on the 2.5 liter motor. Ran that for about a year and a half. Zero issues whatsoever. Beat the hell out of the car every single day. And then swapped the 3 liter in and got it reflashed for the 3 liter. And been running it. Nothing wrong with their tune. Makes pretty good power. Drivability is amazing. And you can toggle the pops and flames and stuff. A lot of people don't like the burble tunes and stuff, but if you're into that kind of stuff, you can toggle it on and off as you please. Pretty good. I got nothing bad to say about them. Great guys to work with. Great tune overall. Pretty happy with it. This is the MagnaFlow exhaust. See if I can set something up to get some sound clips for you guys. So that was the sound clip with the car. Let's go for a little drive, show you guys. It's nothing crazy, it's just some simple bolt-ons, 3 liter, 330 essentially. Take you guys for a little rip, see what you guys think, and go from there. Alright guys, so we switched over to the point of view camera so you guys could see. I'm gonna take you guys for a little test drive. I don't know if I mentioned this car also has a welded diff. Alright, let's go for a drive, show you guys what this thing's got. Like I said, nothing special, nothing crazy, but definitely is a fun car. I've owned it for about 3 years and 1 month I've had it for, and definitely been a blast this whole time that I've had it. It's gone through a lot of different phases. Definitely learned a lot working on this car. Taught me a lot of different things, and definitely my favorite car so far. around. There's a nice road back there with a quick twisty. Might hit that, send it sideways, and see where we go from there. I honestly didn't plan a single bit of this video out, so I'm just kind of going with the flow and seeing if I make anything out of this. I think I'm gonna turn around right here. Also, ignore the squeaking in the rear end. That's my solid trailing arm bushings. I think I either over torqued them or didn't grease them enough, but basically they've been squeaking since I put them in. Potholes killing me out here. Let's record a little dig. I'm not gonna launch it. Well, not a dig. I'm gonna start off from maybe 5 miles an hour or so. 3, 2, 1. Not bad for an NA E46. These things are not quick cars normally. I still don't consider this very quick, but it's definitely enough power to have some fun. It's a lot better than the 2.5 liter that was in here before. B25s just don't cut it, especially when you're trying to go sideways. I know with the B25 that was in here before, second gear slides were a challenge for sure. Definitely hated going in second gear. Now with second gear, it takes a little bit of finessing, a little bit of momentum, maybe a clutch kick here and there, but it'll stay sideways. That's with the 315 rear end. I have an automatic 325 that's sitting, waiting for me to rip it apart. It's a parts car, got a blown head gasket, but I'm gonna be taking that diff out and putting it in this thing. Hopefully second gear will go a lot smoother. 1, 2. Chill out for now, find a spot, get back out, talk some more. Where's he at though? I'm gonna throw in some drifting clips probably in this video from the past month that I've recorded. I also have a car page on Instagram, sliding_46. I'll put it on the screen right here. If you guys want, go follow that, check out some of the content on there. I post some drifting clips and sometimes pictures of my car and whatnot. Occasionally motorcycle stuff. you guys liked the video. Slow walk around introduction. Really didn't know what to record, but I want to get a little start on this. I had plans to start making videos once I started the turbo setup, but I figured why not just record the car as is, give a little walk around, and then you guys can see the progress that's made on the car. I'm gonna be recording videos probably decently regularly. Try to upload maybe once a week, twice a week to start, and see from there. I do work full-time, so I don't really have all that much time for recording videos and shit. Most of my free time is at night, but do love this car, love this thing to death. I also have a truck. Let me know if you guys want to see some off-road content. It's definitely not the nicest truck, but takes a beating. I pretty much, it's my tow pig. It's a tow back and forth parts cars and shit like that. And I have a 05 Yamaha R6 that I actually crashed about a month ago. Once I get that thing up and running, maybe some motorcycle content. We'll see. I might end up selling it. I don't know. Don't really know how I'm feeling about it anymore. I'm here to enjoy life, not to have some random idiot that's not paying attention take me out. But for the meantime, once it's up and running, I'll definitely take it out for a few rips, record that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see.